Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. Hopefully everybody's starting their new year's off on the right foot, but we're gonna get right to it. I told y'all we're gonna be going after information after information because I need to see everybody that been rocking with me and been following this channel for years. I want to see y'all win, but it starts with you. Stop being lazy and do the work. It starts with your mindset, right? So the first thing we're gonna be talking about today, something that's very important. You might be looking on the thumbnail. You might have clicked on this video because of the thumbnail. Yes, you could get a home loan today in 2026, right? Without even getting approval off your credit score. They're not worrying about credit score. They eliminated credit score. So this is what Fannie Mae did November 15th, 2025, right? They eliminated their credit score, right? So they could base your home loan approval off of other requirements, other documents, but it won't be off of that minimum of 620 credit score that they want you to have when applying for a home. And anyway, just to let you know, if you're applying for a home loan at a 620 credit score, we all know that credit interest rate, that credit APR is going to be a little on the high end. So you got to keep that in mind. But with them, they said, let's eliminate the credit score and let's base your approval off of other things. You might be saying, what may that be? Now, let's say you're living somewhere for a year, 2 years, 3 years. They might request you, right, to get a letter from your renter, whoever you're renting from, whatever apartment complex that you're renting from, that you've been living here for such and such months, 12 months, 24, 36 months, and you've been paying your rent on time, right? They definitely will require that, right? They will look at other things like your pay stubs. They'll look at your bank statements. They want to go over a couple of things. Now, that's called a DU loan. You might be saying, what is a DU loan? A DU loan is a desktop underwriter, right? So all your documents, all your information will be sent right through on the website, and they will base your approval off that and will not base it off what your credit score might be. They're not even looking at your credit score. So don't worry about if you got a 500 or 450 credit score. Long as that you can upload those other documents that they need, that they're asking for, wherever you live at, that letter, W-2s, bank statements, those basic information, they will base your approval off that. Now, a lot of people never heard of a DU loans. These are different information, different videos I'm going to be bringing to you because I need everybody to understand these different terms, right? Now, you might be thinking, what will be the next step that I need to do? Now, once you upload all your documents, right? You get your pre-approval. At that point, they will be running your credit report. They will give you a hard pull. You got to get that hard pull no matter what, even though they're not basing your approval off what's going on your credit score. So now, the thing was that when it comes to FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans, those loans have their own requirements. Just to let you know, the DU loans have their requirements, but again, at least you could get in the door without all the major credit score issues that a lot of people are going ahead. They're trying to get pre-approvals. They're getting denied because the score might be low, even though other things on their credit report might be good, but that credit score might be on the low end. So I wanted to bring this quick information for you. Again, I understand a lot of people out there is trying to get, again, home loans. They might be tired of renting from different places, which is, I think, owning a home is a great thing in 2025. I understand those interest rate is a little on the high end, but it's always good to have a home, own a home, and get some equity in that home. You know, I want to see everybody win. And for all those that want to start fixing their credit because they might have a 600 credit score, 590, 575. Again, you can always go over to my website at whoiskingshawn.com. And you could go right here and go to the store section, people. Hit the store section. Once you get to the store section, you'll scroll down a little bit and you have your free ebooks right there. You could get your ebook if you want to. You have collections reporting. You got charge-offs. You got inquiries. If you even in the check system, you'll be able to go over there, download this free ebook and start working on your credit and start building it up. If you're more advanced, and you on the business side, I have an ebook as well. If you want to start building your credit scores, your credit profile, you want to build it out the proper way and the right way. So again, I wanted to bring that information on the Fannie Mae eliminating the credit score if you want to get a home loan, the DU loan. Again, that's the Desktop Underwriter. But this is probably an easy process, but you gotta, again, do your own information, understand what you're getting yourself into. You know, this is 2026. I'm telling you, everybody should be, again, learning about these different things. Everybody should be working on their personal credit. Everybody should be working on their business credit. But if you want to buy a home, this might be for you, people. Again, go over to Fannie Mae, learn some information about their home loans, their DU loans, and see if you qualified and get ahead and move forward. There might be somebody out there that have a 575 credit score. It might be saying, hey, I got everything else looking good on my credit score, but I got a low credit score. What can I do? How can I get a home loan? Do I need to go out there and buy trade lines? No, people. I don't want people going out there buying trade lines, trying to shoot their score up. Again, it's not going to work, people. Trade lines, I'm being honest, is getting outdated. A lot of banks are catching on to all these different things and stuff like that. Let's do things the right way and the proper way. This is why I'm bringing you videos like this. Again, Fannie Mae DU loans, where you could go get a loan for a home, and you don't have to worry about your credit score being affected or them saying no because of the credit score. Again, man, I'm giving you a bunch of options. I want to see everybody win in 2026, but it starts with you, and it starts with you being motivated and start learning these different things, man. I'm locking in and I'm giving y'all this year nothing but bangers, nothing but gems, because I need to see every single body that's watching these videos that I'm dropping. I want to see y'all win. If y'all want to send me an email, go right to my go right to my website, scroll right to the bottom. I got my email there. Give me about 4 hours and I will give you a response, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.